Yes, I am a Vtuber. I am who I am. I am happy as I am. Unlike many of my dear fellow Vtubers whom I admire, and who are very successful and well established with their Vtubing journey, my focus is not on gaming or streaming, but rather developing documentary-style content. Sometimes my content is about history, sometimes about wildlife animals,
and sometimes specific topics I interest in.
Content creation gives me opportunities to learn and develop myself as good as possible. But most importantly, it helps me building new skill sets. For example, as part of my VTubing journey, I expose myself to new knowledge about the topics I am trying to cover, but also to new technologies and know-how, like artificial intelligence, video editing, and sound design. I feel that it helps me improving soft skill sets too, such as paying attention to communication skills, being open to learning from different sources, people, and different opinions, learning articulate way of speaking, and with that, as good as possible, expressing myself by forming clear sentences that are easy to follow, yet sufficient and powerful in reflecting my emotions and thoughts. Yes, I am a VTuber. I am who I am. I am happy as I am. Especially on the weekend, waking up in the morning, wondering what is next, what I can do, how I can improve myself, what sort of content I can develop, so that I can learn and share, is a truly exciting experience. On that day, the whole day, whenever my brain triggers idea generation for content creation, my veins ensure that my blood, filled with excitement and adrenaline, is circulated through my whole body, and every cell that are part of me is awakened and tasked with the target to develop something good, to achieve something good by the end of the day. Something that would help me learn new things. Something that would help me challenge myself and change myself for the better. Something that would help me learn and discover something new about myself. Something that would give me new perspectives, ideas, and different ways of looking at things, especially about our planet Earth.
Yes, I am a VTuber.
I am who I am. I am happy as I am.